Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change font size in our phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to settings of our phone here, then go to display, then here select font size and style. Here select font size. As of now, font size is on third point. Okay, if you would like to increase font size, you got to move this point to the right side. Okay, now I keep in fourth point, slightly font size has been increased. I keep on fifth point, then sixth, seventh, up to eighth. Last will be the eighth. Okay, this is the maximum font size in our phone. Okay, see the changes. I go to the home screen and go to settings. See here how big is the font size. Now again go to same settings and display and click on font size and style. If you would like to decrease font size, just you go to move this point to the left side. Okay, so leftmost will be very small size. If you would like to keep in default font size, just you go to select the third point and it will be in default font size in our phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. In this way you can easily change font size in our phone Samsung Galaxy S23 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.